Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Kurtis in Florida on this Galaxy DX98 VHP. Kurtis got it ready to go for you. Fixed the intermittent issue with the power loss, DC power loss that is. Went over that with you. Showed you the spectral purity before where it was just splattering all over the place, and how clean it is now. ERF 2030 Plus MOSFET modification, as well as the upgraded voltage regulator. Alright, let's get right to it. RF power all the way down. And also we picked your receive up tremendously. It was way down. 250 watt slug. Turn the amp switch on. It's 5 watts all the way down. I'll roll it all the way up. 40 watts all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello. 125 bird average. 500 watt slug peak. Hello. About 255 peak. Now Kurtis, I know this thing come in here and it was doing about 300 watts, but like I said, it was all over the spectrum, as well as the gate voltages were set well past 4 volts. So we've got those set at 3.5 in the amp section. Should run a lot cooler for you, a lot cleaner power. Hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.